what we want to do is, this pops off by the way, and you've got all the little springs and valves in there. So I'll put that back on for now. So after you've cleaned all this off, you can put the cylinder head back on, squeeze it nice and down. Okay. Once that's on, it doesn't really matter which way that goes. It's the actual control head that matters. So what we want to do is, before we stick it on, we want to reassemble it. So put all the little valves back in and springs. You want to point this little valve out in the outways direction. Okay. Don't worry if you don't push it all the way in, because this casing will push it down. Now you don't want to forget anything when you're reassembling this, so make sure you don't. Make sure you clean out all the little holes and jets since you've got it disassembled. That goes in there, big side down. There was the spring in that I'll put in. Actually, I won't put the spring in yet. Put this on. This screw has to be nice and tight on, or else the unit won't turn on. Okay. Now the little spring. We can put the spring in on this side, like so. Now, once again, this here has to go in underneath that. If it doesn't go in underneath that, it's not going to turn on or off. Also, there's a little rubber seal here that you're going to make sure is on, so it does a complete seal. So what you want to do is put that little thing underneath. There we go. Make sure it's on top there, as you can see. You can push all that down. Okay. Now that's on. This here, like I said, use a bit of plumber's tape if it's not properly sealing. Or there's another little seal in there. I'll remove that for now. Now that seal goes on here. That doesn't get put on yet. I'll get into tightening these up real tight later on, just to continue the video. If you have any other issues, please free to comment down the bottom and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.